Hi, welcome to my video on arithmetic sequence part 1, and this is defining what an arithmetic sequence is. Let's introduce it. Starting with 3, add 4, so 3 plus 4 is 7. Add 4 again, 7 plus 4 is 11. Add 4 again, 11 plus 4 is 15. So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one is term 1, this one is term 2, this one is term 3, this one is term 4. Find the differences. So T2, which is 7, subtract T1, which is 3, and I get a 4. T3, which is 11, subtract T2, which is 7, and we get another 4. And T4 is 15, subtract T3, which is 11, and I get another 4. And notice we add 4 each time, so 4 is the difference between successive terms. The difference between any two successive terms in this sequence is 4. And you notice that 4 is a constant difference. Now let's look at this sequence, 20, 17, 14, and 11. So that's the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So this is T1, T2, T3, T4. So T2 is 17 minus 20, which is -3. T3 is 14. Subtract T2, which is 17, and we get a -3. T4 is 11. Subtract T3, which is 14, we get a -3. So the difference between successive terms in this sequence is -3. Notice the -3 is for each one. And notice in this one that it's going up by 4, like a slope. And notice that this one is going down -3 in each one. You subtract 3 from each of them. That's the pattern. And let's look at the definition. Each sequence above is arithmetic because the difference between successive terms is constant. Notice number 1, the difference is 4. D1 is 4. Number 2, the difference is -3. So D1 is -3. Notice there's a constant level difference between each of these, and it's level 1. We didn't go subtracting here to get 4 minus 4 is 0, or 4 minus 4 is 0. We only did a level 1 difference. Like, just to show you, 3, 7, 11, 15, that's 7 minus 3 is 4. 11 minus 7 is 4. 15 minus 11 is 4. So you can either subtract them like this or quickly do like I have here. Okay, we have a constant level 1 difference. Is 2, 5, 9, 14 an arithmetic sequence? So an arithmetic sequence, 5 subtract 2 is 3. 9 subtract 5 is 4. 14 subtract 9 is 5. Notice this is D1, and this is not constant. So the answer is no, because there's no level 1 constant difference. So it's not arithmetic. Is 6, 11, 16, 21, 26. 11 take away 6 is 5. 16 subtract 11 is 5. 21 subtract 16 is 5. 26 subtract 21 is 5. And is it arithmetic sequence? Yes. because the level 1 difference is 5. There's a constant level 1 difference. So when I write D1 is 5, that's a level 1 difference is 5. It means it's constant level 1 difference is, the level 1 difference is constant. Constant level 1 difference, whatever way you want to say it. Okay, let's look at these questions. Find the common difference of each. D denotes difference. So we're looking for D, we're looking for the common difference, we're looking for D1. So 8 minus 6 is 2. 10 minus 8 is 2. 12 minus 10 is 2. So D1 is 2, so the common difference is 2. 14 subtract 17 is negative 3. 11 subtract 14 is negative 3. 8 subtract 11 is negative 3, so D1 is negative 3. And in this one, 3.5 subtract 2 is 1.5. 5 subtract 1.5 is, 5 subtract 3.5 is 1.5. 6.5 subtract 5 is 1.5. So the D1 difference is constant, is 1.5. And here, 5 subtract 3 is 2. 7 subtract 5 is 2. 10 subtract 7 is 3. And the level 1 difference, can't tell because it's different. So we don't have an answer. If it was all negative 3s, we could put D negative 3. If it was all 2s, we could say D1 is 2. Or 1.5 for each one. D1 would be 1.5, but we can't here. Which one is or are? Which ones? So an arithmetic sequence. The arithmetic sequence would be number 1 and 2 and 3. Arithmetic sequence because the level 1 differences is constant. When we say constant, the level 1 differences are the same. And note, number 4 is not arithmetic. And the reason being, because there's no level 1 constant difference. So that's, just also want to note that, again, the small d stands for difference. And if I use a large D, that's in quadratics. Large D is in quadratics pertaining to discriminant. Just want to drive that home. So the small d is for difference, the large D is for discriminant in the quadratics. So that brings us into the end of the first video on arithmetic sequence. And if you like my video, click the like button, subscribe button, visit my website www.mathfullyexplained.com to find more information about me, my videos, and the content on my YouTube channel called Math Fully Explained. Thank you for viewing my video. Bye-bye.